today's video, I am going to be showing you my moisture routine. This is a routine that's quite new to me. I'm really excited to share it with you all. I wanted to make sure that it worked. I'm trying something new today, so stick around and I'll show you what that new thing is. I think it's going to be a game changer to keep moisture in your hair. So here you can see my hair. It's crusty, it's dry. I'm in need of a retie or retwist, but I'm going to wait. So let's start off by showing you the ingredients I'm going to be using. My hydrating rose water mist from FAIDA Naturals. I'm going to be using aloe vera. This is just plain old aloe vera. I'm also going to be using the FAIDA Naturals aloe and avocado oil. So I'm going to start off by putting the aloe vera juice in a bottle because we're going to be actually using this later on. As I mentioned in the beginning, I'm going to tell you how I'm going to be using it. Randomly came to mind. So I started off by washing my hair, and I actually am washing my hair with African black soap. It's actually a liquid form of African black soap. I want this routine to be 100% clean, natural, free of chemicals. I'm really excited because you can achieve that. I've been trying to put together a routine that is free of chemicals, and I think I found it, and it worked out really well. If you watched my hair routines of how I wash my hair, I really try and take time to scrub. I don't want to rinse off my hair and end up with buildup, which I used to do when I was newly locked. So I take time really scrubbing my scalp because I want to make sure that it's clean. So this is what I want to show you all. The aloe vera that I filled up, I'm using that actually as a conditioner for my hair because my hair is really dry. You all saw what it looked like. Now I don't dry it all the way out. I actually came out of the shower when my hair was damp. I had some of the aloe vera and the aloe vera juice in it, and I used a towel just to dry out the excess liquid. My hair dries pretty quickly. Then once I was done, I was feeling my hair and it felt really soft. There's something about the aloe vera juice that just, I don't know, hair likes it. You can see it already looks like my hair is coming back to life, even without the added oil and the rose water mist, which I'll be adding. And over here you can get an idea of what my hair looks like up close with the new growth. And I take the rose water mist, and what I did was just spray my hair with the rose water mist. This felt amazing. Now the rose water mist will soften your hair. It also smells nice. So once I was done with that, I took the oil, time to oil my scalp with the aloe and avocado. This oil is scented to make your locks smell nice, but also it easily absorbs into your hair. I wanted a mixture that would not sit on top of my hair, but actually keep my hair moisturized, and your hair will be moisturized for days. So I take my time going around my hair, and just keep in mind that usually when hair breaks, it's because it's not moisturized well. So this oil really helps with ensuring that your hair maintains the moisture that it needs and it has a healthy sheen. I take time really putting it across my scalp because it is the winter. Then I put it towards the ends of my hair because nobody wants crusty locks. I always say this, but the truth is nobody wants crusty locks. So once I have that done, I'm pretty much done with the routine, and this kept my hair moisturized throughout the day, and I'm pretty confident that my hair will be good. Honestly, if you look at it, it looks much better than what it looked like in the beginning when it was crusty. Felt like it had no sheen to it. It was kind of all over the place. And you all, are you noticing the growth? My hair is touching my back now. It's crazy. So I ended up styling my hair with just putting it half up, half down. My hair is getting to the point where it gets everywhere if I'm cleaning, doing other things. And are you guys seeing the growth? So I'm in the middle of the hair growth challenge and things are happening. I'm actually going to have to add in the growth into the rest of my locks. So this is a routine. Thank you so much for watching.